Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I would like to show you how to make LED blinking when push button 1 is being pressed and LED number 2 blinking when push button number 2 is pressed. So first of all, we put header for our program, for my program, include hashtag include register 51.h, and then we declare the port that we wanted to use. Here we use port 1 as bit, switch port 1 0 as bit, LED port 1 hijau. We declare our coding function that we want to use is we wanted to use delay, so we use this void delay millisecond integer. Next we use void serial tx unsigned character data tx data tx means transmitting data. So we open the bracket. Next we go through sbuff equal to data tx semicolon. Sbuff means hold data, while data tx means transmitting data. While ti 0 0 ti means timer interrupt flag. So return, close the bracket. We proceed unsigned character serial rx void. Rx means that it is a receiver data. Open the bracket, unsigned character data rx, while r1 0 data rx equal to sbuff. So as I said previously, rx means receiver data, while sbuff is hold data. So we proceed r1 equal to 0, return data rx colon, and we close the bracket. Next we proceed through our coding. Void main void open bracket unsigned character alpha scon equal to scon equal to 0x50 tmod x0 th1 so right fd t1 tsw1 and led also 1. So what's its mean of SCON? SCONs means serial control with mode 1. tmods means timer 1 with mode 2. th1 is baud rate, while switch as usual. 1 means it is being pressed, LED is blinking. So we move through while 1 open bracket serial tx alpha go to serial rx brackets if alpha equal to open bracket again. This is for LED equal to LED, we put delay for LED because in question it need 500 milliseconds, so we put 500 milliseconds of delay. Put 500. So we close the bracket and again close the bracket for the last row. Next, close bracket and we put return and again close bracket. Next we put delay for the last one, interval open bracket. This is the usual coding that we use for delay. For I bigger than interval, I is smaller than interval, semicolon I plus plus for j 0 semicolon j is smaller than 1275 semicolon j plus plus. So we close the bracket. That's all for the coding, and we need to check and compile whether there are any errors or warning happen. So we try to simulate it. So there are no error but two warning, so it may not be interfere the result of the simulation. So we turn to the simulation to test whether the LED will blink when the push button is pressed. So here our my simulation that I had done, there are two push button switch, and two LED. So when I push switch 1, the LED here will blink, and when I push the switch 2, the LED here will blink. So let's try. So I push the push button 1. So there, if I push switch 2, the LED here will blink, and when I push the switch here, the LED here will blink, so it will blink simultaneously. So I think that's all for me. Thank you.